Okay, guys, you should have your 3 tools out on your table. So now what I want us to do is do a pretend spelling test. We don't have a spelling test this week, but I want us to practice 4 words. So I'm going to read the word for you, and I want you to write it on your board on the blank side. Okay? You've got to write small because you need it to fit 4 words. Okay? Once you've done that, Miss Woolley will write them so you can check it. Ready? First word is sheep. Sheep. I saw the sheep in the field. Sheep. Make sure you tap those sounds. Write it on your paper. Sheep. Number 2. Meat. Meat. Will you meet me at the store? Meat. Make sure you write it nice and neat so you can read it when you go back to check. Okay? Number 3. Ready? Sweet. Sweet. That chocolate is very sweet. Sweet. Listen to the beginning. Sweet. And number 4, bee. Like I saw the bumblebee flying around. Bee. Okay? Make sure you have all those. If you need to go back, pull the little button at the bottom and go back to the beginning and listen to those words again and make sure you have all 4, okay? So the first word was sheep. Sheep. Remember, we've got a digraph and our 2 E's that say E. So we have sheep, meat, and then sweet. We had a blend at the beginning, so you got to be careful because it was sweet. And the last one was bee, like in honeybees. If you only put 1 E, remember, in honeybees, it's special. So this word has 2 E's, even though they're at the end. So we've got to remember that he's kind of tricky, and it depends what type of bee it is. Okay? So if you got all those, awesome. Remember, we're not going to take a normal spelling test, but it's still good just to practice. Okay? All done there. I'm going to go ahead and give you instructions for your paper for today. Alright, your paper should look like this. So you're going to label the vowels and the consonants, so just like we did, and you're going to chop it in half. So for the first one, we have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Let me zoom in so you can see that better. Okay, so we know I can split him between the 2 consonants. So I'm going to divide it, and then I can sound it out. P, pen, sil, pencil, pencil. Okay, then you're going to do that for each word. Remember, you're dividing it between the 2 consonants. Okay? So once you've done that, you may get on reading eggs or epic. Either one of those is fine. And that should be the last page, or not last page. You should have 1 more page in your workbook. Do not put these in the trash can. Where should these go? Back in your green folder. Okay? So I will see you tomorrow for some more reading.